Hi there, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel. Well, in previous video, we saw how to list down all the files of a particular folder in the SharePoint document library. Now, if you would like to delete these files, then how do we delete this? Let's take a look at it. Well, in this case, we will continue the example. We'll list down all the files of the folder, which we have it here. So we have a Project Delta folder under Projects Document Library of the MD integration site. And I have these 3 files. Let's go ahead and delete them. Well, for this, drag and drop delete file, but before this we need to iterate through the files that we got through list folders. So let's go and look for each loop, drag and drop for each loop. Value to iterate is the list folder outcome, which is list files. Let's select that and let's call it as the current file. Click on save. Now head back to SharePoint Actions and look for delete file within the for each loop. Let's select the site address, which is going to be the MDA integration site. Let's open it and select the MD integration site. Open the file identifier. This is going to be the variable. Variable is the current file that we are iterating, and we will pick up the ID, which is the identifier of that file. If you hover over on I, you will see select a file, or we need the file identifier. Click on save. Let's click run and open the SharePoint site. Wait for the execution to get completed, and that should remove or that should delete the files of this folder. Let's wait for that to complete. It's deleting second file and now deleting third file. If you refresh, none of the files should be present, and there we go. So we successfully were able to delete the files of a folder in SharePoint Online document library using PowerAutomateDesktop. I thank you so much for watching this video.